In this video, I will show you how to fix the issue of your WhatsApp status not showing. To get started, open up the WhatsApp application on your device. Next, look for three little dots located at the top right corner of your screen. Tap on these dots to access a drop-down menu. Now, select Settings from this menu. Once in Settings, tap on Chats. Scroll down until you find Chat Backup and tap on it. Tap on the Backup button. This ensures that all your important conversations are safe before proceeding with troubleshooting. After backing up your chats, exit out of the WhatsApp application completely. Now, swipe down from the top right corner of your device's screen and tap on the gear icon. This will take you into your device's settings menu. Scroll down until you reach Apps. In this section, tap on the search button at the top right corner and type in WhatsApp. Select WhatsApp from the search results. You'll now be taken to its app info page where various options are available. Scroll down slightly until you see Storage. Tap on it to access storage-related settings for WhatsApp. Now, tap on Clear Cache. This action helps eliminate temporary files that might be causing issues with displaying statuses. After clearing cache, restart your device. A simple reboot often resolves lingering issues by refreshing system processes. Once your device has restarted, open up WhatsApp again. Check if your status is now visible. If not, consider checking for updates or reinstalling the app as further steps. So that wraps up this tutorial. If you have any questions about this whole process, please let me know in the comments section below. And if this video helped you out, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe to this channel for more tutorial videos like this one. Thank you so much for watching and have a good day.